All right, good morning. Just I cleaned my charts up. My charts were getting a little messy, so I cleaned them up. Got some more recent levels in there. I'm just going through and doing some checking the news that's coming out today, and just kind of getting ready. Um, yeah, it's cleaned up my charts a bit. I had some kind of old levels, and I wanted just to simplify things a little bit, make sure I'm watching the right thing here. Take a look at the daily chart. We have, we came down, found a bottom, rallied on decreasing volume, surprising me. We have such kind of since rejected, and now we're pulling back down to what is that, 471? So we're like in here. So we can see a pullback, maybe a continuation. Take a look at this area. We have kind of found a bottom here before. We bounced here, here, here temporarily. So let's see if it's like 471.6 acts as support. Okay. Nothing too crazy. We are obviously within yesterday's range. We might set up an inside bar today and kind of set up a better trading situation for like days to come down the line, but I'm sure we'll find something. We had some market news in the pre-market, and Michael Barr speaks, but that's at 12 p.m. Eastern, so I'll not be online for that regardless. I'll probably put a level like somewhere in here-ish. I'm not like 474. Just based on so yeah, we'll see. We got a pretty big sell-off in the after hours. Well, pre-market, I guess. After hours kind of held that level, and then pre-market sold off pretty heavily. We got a couple minutes, so I'm just gonna hang out for a little bit, drink some coffee, and I'll be back very soon. I'll pull up SPY. Let's see, where's QQQ at? Let's see what QQQ is doing. It's kind of in no man's land. Might see come up and reject maybe. So I will put an alert. Oops, I'll put an alert like up here. Is that or above? Sure. Just something to keep an eye out for. Good morning, man. How you doing?
Are you? I'm good.
Good. Yeah, I'm doing all right. Feel tired.
Yeah, same. I didn't sleep very well last night, honestly.
I wake up with my alarm for this, and I'm like, damn, I don't really want to wake up, but I have to.
What time do you wake up for this?
I wake up like a little after 6.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm up at 6:30.
Yeah, I just wake up and shower, make coffee. That's pretty much it.
Nice. Are you a morning shower or night shower, or are you both?
I'm like morning unless I've done something during the day to warrant a night shower.
Yeah.
I just feel like it wakes me up.
Yeah, makes sense.
You on the night grind?
Yeah, for sure. So to me, Spy looks like it's coming down for a just like a little pullback,
Yeah.
and then maybe continue upwards. I don't know. I was kind of thinking about maybe getting calls off the open. I'm not gonna do it, but based off of Spy levels and ES levels, they look pretty promising.
Yeah, I just went through and kind of charted this morning, and I have a level right at like 471.6. It looks like we're kind of bouncing off of.
Nice.
I cleaned up my charts and felt like it was getting really sloppy. I just hadn't done it, and so I had like levels accumulated for like weeks.
Yeah, I try to keep mine to a minimum. Like I have probably too many up there right now.
Yeah, today we're like, I'm not sure. I'm curious. I'm wondering if today is just gonna be like an inside bar day with how huge yesterday was. There's like no news or anything, and I think we have CPI coming out tomorrow. Oh no, Thursday.
Hmm.
So it made me wonder if like either today and tomorrow are gonna be a little bit more like low volume chop until we have like CPI come out. I could be completely wrong, but
I guess we'll see.
good morning, Yvonne. You're really quiet, my friend. Your audio is really quiet. I mean,
Is it better now?
yeah, much better.
Okay,
How are you doing?
pretty well, my man.
Good.
Are you looking for something specific or just waiting?
Waiting.
Yeah, we're kind of right above a level I have, so I'm waiting to see if we bounce on SPY here. On QQQ, it's coming up to approach a level I'm watching actually for maybe like a rejection right around 403 ish, a little below that.
Yeah, I have a level 402, like 90.
Yeah, so I actually just got my alert just triggered there, so I might watch QQQ for a second.
Yes, SPY is not doing much.
Yeah, SPY was kind of just sitting down. Last time I looked for a level to short QQQ that absolutely got me, so be a little bit more careful today.
Yeah.
It's looking really strong again.
Mm.
I was thinking people would be like taking profits on Nvidia or taking profits on some of the stocks that ran up, maybe, and QQQ would have a pullback, but we'll see.
Yeah, we kind of rejecting that level.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
And
All right, I am watching that. QQQ has some weird option chains, like the strike prices. 402.78 is a strike on QQQ. What is that? It's disgusting.
yeah, I see that. Last week I got notification it has some troubles with striking prices. I don't know, maybe it's... Yeah, but it's usually not like this.
Gotcha. Okay, yeah, I hadn't been watching QQQ much, but I've noticed recently that, yeah, the strikes are really odd. I refuse to use those. Weird in-betweens. It's looking all right for a rejection off that area. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute to close, but it's kind of right where I'm watching. Unless it continues to look strong, then I'm not touching it.
Yeah. Nvidia is trying to hold pre-market lows, Tesla 238, so can be a green day also. So I'm still waiting.
Yeah, I no longer want to short this right now. That 5 minute close is really strong. Well, we'll see. It's right at that level still, kind of.
It might be a weird day after yesterday.
Yeah, and we have CPI news on Thursday, so I'm wondering if we kind of have some odd, especially after how big a move yesterday was.
Yeah. And after yesterday, I feel a lot of people like are looking for some kind of continuation, but we have a drop in pre-market, so I don't know what to think about. So I'll be careful today.
Well, I guess maybe QQQ did reject. I was a little hesitant with that 5 minute close. It looked pretty strong, but we're definitely getting a bit of a pullback in that area. SPY's not doing much, huh? Just kind of hanging out. QQQ options move pretty well too. I've noticed they move really well.
Yeah, QQQ is moving.
Like a 50-cent move option went up like over 30%.
Yeah, while SPY is not doing anything really. Well, you have those wicks now, QQQ.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're holding the 9 EMA too on the 5 minutes, so I definitely don't want to short here. I think I'll probably just wait and hopefully see a direction either in QQQ or SPY before I take a trade. See some higher highs or lower lows or something.
Yeah.
Right now we're just kind of, yeah, there's nothing that I want to take. Yeah, SPY on the 2 minute is nasty. It's just all wicks. Oh man.
Yeah, honestly, I would love to see QQQ break and retest that level.
Mm-hmm.
I have also 401.20 to the downside.
401. Where's my next one on QQQ? Let me see. Yeah, I don't have anything down there really, but I see what you mean. I have it up on that already. We're kind of rejecting off that area again on QQQ. Yeah. Off one 402.74. Kind of right where we just rejected. Damn. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, crazy move.
Hello, William. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you. Yeah, it's a pretty good rejection off of QQQ there. Wow. Holy cow! At least something's moving, I guess.
Yeah, there goes SPY too.
To the downside.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Pre-market lows in play for both.
Wow, yeah, SPY's dumping now. Wow. Alright.
Do you have any levels below SPY? Like, what's your next level?
470.65. This is the next one I have below where we're at right now. Or like, but yeah, like 471 to 470.5 or so, just in that general area.
It's kind of tough. You can find support from like last 3 like half a days.
Exactly. Yeah. Just kind of in that general area.
Yeah, that's $1 area, so it's hard to find support for like quick scalp or something.
QQQ's holding up a bit better. Maybe not. It's kind of sitting right at low day. What is going on, man? SPY can't make up its mind. Everything's whiplashing right now.
This is just crazy.
What?
Yeah, I'm not at a point in running yet where I can level myself out and worry about it. I would if it wasn't money. I'm not running it.
No, that's gonna be pretty rough. Okay.
Oh, problem.
No, no problem.
Yeah, I'm not sure. There's not really many great setups here today between QQQ and Spy.
Nope.
It's very, very choppy.
Mm-hmm. For a brief second, I was looking for a buy to hold pre-market low, but well, it's not that great.
I still kind of like this area where QQQ is for puts, but I don't know, with today's price action, I'm not sure. But each time we get around this area, we reject pretty good on QQQ. That's right around a level that I have. It's like,
Small position.
yeah, I'm thinking about it. If I can get a good entry. And the volume on the 2 minute, like the push up into this area has been on decreasing volume, so we'll see. If I see something I like, but like 5 minute looks pretty bullish. We have those longer wicks on the bottom. Current candle's like completely bullish. I don't know. Today's kind of a weird one to read for me. I guess there's no trend. We're just like we're just kind of bouncing around. But even still, if you caught a scalp from here towards kind of the bottom of that range, that's a nice move. I'm gonna try a position on QQQ, a light one here. Might be a little early for that. Yeah, we're looking strong still. Alright, that probably might get me out there if we push up any further. Oh my gosh. That was like right at my stop. I was looking at those wicks. As soon as we got up there, it dropped. That's crazy. Alright, see what happens. Wow, okay. Yeah.
See if we can break below that 9.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm concerned about. I don't know. I don't really like this price action. It dropped and just quickly reversed. That's not what I want. Yeah, good lord. Super choppy. There's definitely sellers up there though. You can tell. Just see if we can have any carry through with it. But with how fast it rebounded, makes me a little nervous. Oh my god, I do not need my cat fucking with me right now. Dude, seriously, get out of here. My cat keeps trying to like walk across my computer. It's making me nervous. He's like, I'll take a trade for you. Oh my gosh. Good morning, Mario. My cat says hello as well. Yeah, I don't know about this. On QQQ, we get a little dip and then just quickly reverses. It seems like it's can't make its mind up here.
Are you still in it?
In it. I'm gonna see if we can get some follow through here. We're kind of right at that EMA, so I'm a little hesitant. I'd love to see us kind of return towards the bottom of that range. That would be really nice. It's looking good. It is on lower volume though. I might just take it. It's sitting right on that EMA. I don't really like how today's been moving.
C green, take green type of day.
Yeah, I mean, it was a decent move. I'll take it for a single position. But yeah, with the way it's kind of just lower volume and sitting on that EMA, I don't want to risk it. I mean, not like we have a clear trend or anything, so I don't feel confident like holding super long. Because look at this, it just reverses right back.
Jeez.
Yeah, I don't know. That might be it, unless we get some better price action, but today's been rough.
You were green, right?
Yeah. No, I got a decent little profit there.
Okay.
I think it was like maybe a little less than 20%.
Yeah, man, price action really. But I feel like we are eventually going to break to the upside somehow.
Yeah, I mean, we're not really setting lower lows on SPY either. SPY's starting to bounce as well right now. Yeah, on Q's, that thing moved right against me. That would have been... I'm glad I got out when I did.
It's crazy now. Nvidia is trying to go up. Tesla is making lows of the day.
Yeah, Tesla wasn't really moving yesterday either, you're saying?
Yeah, it was weak compared to the morning. At least like in the morning.
Yeah, QQQ especially, I feel like looks like it wants to break higher. It kind of put in a bottom and then reversed. But it also kind of has a little bit of a double top. But yeah, who knows?
honestly, I'm still looking for that verbal retest. 429.
Mm-hmm. You might get it right here, or at least the break.
Yeah, and retest just like yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was crazy. I came back last night and looked at the chart. I was like, wow, I didn't realize we had such a strong move up all day. It was like no break, just an uptrend day.
Okay, I like it for now.
Yeah. Yeah, Q is looking strong.
Looking for that retest now.
Strong now. What I should have done was wait for the retest of the EMA and take calls off there. Thing ripped out of that region. It moved over $1. That's cranking.
Ryan, do you ever use the EMA to like indicate an entry?
Yeah. Just like, but usually I'd use it in like a trending day, which is why I like today. I didn't really, I don't know. On days like today, I don't really pay much attention to it. But if it's trending, I like it for like using it as like a entry on a pullback or something.
Okay.
Not always, but like especially if it lines up kind of close to a level that I'm watching, and we have like a pullback into that area, and then price action looks like it's going to reverse, or like it starts to slow down in that area. I like that setup.
Right. Okay. Like yesterday would have been nice.
Yeah, yesterday it rode the EMA pretty much the whole way. There was a lot of setups. Yeah, I don't know. I went from not really messing with any indicators, but that EMA, I don't know why. I like it. It seems to be pretty accurate. You still waiting for that pullback? Dude, it ripped. What is this? Yeah, QQQ's actually giving us a good move. Spy too, though. Spy did the same thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm watching.
I have 473 for SPY.
Yeah, I got the exact same level. Yeah, I would not mind it coming back and retesting that previous highs on either of these. They both kind of have the same setup. Nice breakout.
Yeah, it's exactly what I'm looking for right now.
Sorry, you said you were looking for rejection of that level, or?
Off what, 473 on SPY?
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see when we get up there. Not necessarily. I mean, we could. It looks really strong. I'd rather enter calls on a pullback, but I don't know. I mean, well, if it gets up there and it's looking like it's on a reverse, I might try it out. Yeah, it's not looking too bad for potential rejection up here. The price action slowed down a bit.
You looking at Q or SPY? Both of
I'm
them.
looking at SPY. Yeah, they're both kind of right at a level I'm watching. Q, I have a level at like 404 that it's approaching. I guess SPY's a little closer because I have one right at 403 or 473. I mean, I don't know. Definitely gonna let this 5-minute close. But yeah, I'm looking like on the 2-minute, we got some pretty high volume, but the candle bodies are real small. We got like upper wicks. There's volume in that area, but we're like keeps pushing up and testing it. think I might try just a real small position with a tight stop on SPY here. If I can get a fill, maybe not. Yeah, I set a limit order. We'll see if I get a fill. I don't want to try to chase it. I mean, ideally, I look for a pullback on a day like, I mean, after a move like that, but I'm willing to risk just a couple of dollars and see if I can't get a little bit of that pullback. It might not fill me.
It didn't fill you at the top of that?
No, I put in a limit order, but yeah, it didn't fill me. I tried to get it. I tried to get a really good price on it, honestly. I pretty much tried to buy like the for as cheap as I could. Just because I already have a trade, so I'm basically just looking to use like extremely tight risk here, or like a tight stop. So it might fill me on this little push up, we'll see. Oh my gosh, it's like 1 cent away. Oh, whoa. My thing just lagged really bad. What is going on? Oh no. Alright, well, it didn't fill me. I think we still get a little pullback here, though. It's looking like it. It's looking decent. I mean, momentum slowed down. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna fill this. I think I missed it. Anybody get in that?
Nah.
Yeah. I wasn't too strong. I mean, I think we do get a little pullback here, but I wasn't dying to get in it. I mean, it could have been a decent scalp here. I mean, we see it pulling back now. Kind of want to see it pull back to like 472.4, like right in that area. Got the EMA there. It's kind of close to where we were topping before, or the previous high day, I mean. I don't know. We'll see. This price action slowed way down. What's Q doing? Q's kind of looking the same, huh? Pretty much the exact same. It's almost weird.
I looked down for just a second.
Yeah, QQQ came back. It's retesting that area. I kind of like it. QQQ's set up decent right now.
Yeah, it was like 8 cents away from my entry. Damn.
Might still get it. It bounced right off the EMA, like literally to the
Yeah,
cent.
yeah, I see that.
It's coming down. It might fill you right here. If you're still looking for that.
Yeah, I'll try to hold it for a second then.
Oh, did you get in?
No, not.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. It's bouncing from that area pretty strong now. I didn't fill, but I thought I might have missed it. Q's coming back down into that area again.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's looking pretty weak though. I mean, oh, it's testing that level. You know, on right around 0.9.
Hold now. Let's see if you can hold it tomorrow.
It's looking good so far. It held the EMA as well. Pretty strong hammer on the 2 minute if it closes like this. Oh my gosh. Wow, that was a pretty strong close on 2 minute. Might have missed that entry. It just came down and touched it for a second.
Yeah, I did not like that. On 1 minute it was a big red candle and then immediately green one. So
Mm-hmm.
not a weak hole or something. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Trying to be more patient and
Yeah.
it's okay.
No, I mean, no position is a position, you know?
Hmm.
Better not to take something than to rush into something. But yeah, I think that little retest, I don't know if it will.
Yeah, I was looking 1 minute, that 2 minute looks very different.
Yeah, I like the 2 minute, but
Yeah.
it did happen really quick. It like came down there and just immediately reversed.
I really don't like that, and I'm probably not going to chase that, so I'm feeling good, honestly.
Yeah, that'll probably be it. I was looking for that retest and continuation, but I didn't take that, so I don't think I'll take anything else today. I've been missing that. Past 2 days, I've missed it. The retest of the broken high a day. That's like, I love that setup. It works so well. I don't know why I've been hesitating, but
It was very, very fast price action last 2 days, so
it was really fast.
I also missed it yesterday and today, so
Yeah, but that like in an uptrending market, oh my gosh, it's like almost a foolproof. I don't want to say it always works, but it's been working more often than not.
90% of the time, man.
Yeah, you just look at the retest of the previous high and then look for it to go back up towards like high a day. A nice little trade that works out quite often.
Yeah, it's going to hit my profit target now, high of the day.
That was kind of a tricky day though. Alrighty, I think I'm about to hop off, but good stuff today, fellas.
Yeah, man. I'll catch you later.
For sure.
See you guys.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Later, guys.
Alright, take care, everybody. Good luck. Have fun. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace.